Hi, this is my X5 and it's having a sound from the rear. Looks like the rear suspension, this thing is shaking. From the top it's shaking a bit, so it's making the noise. So I'll show you. I took apart the mounting, and as you can see, it's pretty bad. I saw this one is just moving freely, so from below I saw it, and from top I took the covers off from the right side, and here is the rail. Here is the rail, and for removing the rail you need to take T30 screws, 1, 2, and the third one is here. Once you take it out, just pull the rail and it will come easily out. It's not a big deal. This is a 7-seater. That's the reason I have to take the rail. If it is a 5-seater, you don't have to go through these steps. Now I'm gonna use, actually I think this is hex 6. I don't have hex 6. For that reason I'm using T40. I'll just use a T40 to hold in here on top, and I'll be using an 18mm upper wrench to take the nut out. So once I take the nut out, I'll be installing the new support. It's genuine from BMW. I don't have anyone to shoot this video, so I'm gonna pause. I'll show you once I install the support. You can see I have just taken it out. See here. Once you do that, you have to push in the tool that you used and try to pull as maximum as possible. Pull it up, because when you try to take the nut off, the suspension will go down. The shock absorber, it will go down. So you have to pull it up so that you can put your new support and place it in properly and bolt it. See, if you don't do this, you can see the the thread thing will go down, and you will not be able to put your washer in and the bolts, the washer into the bolts and the nut on top of it to tighten it. So don't forget to pull it. Don't get confused. No need to take the air out from the suspension. Nothing to worry about. I'm just gonna put it back in the same way that I told you before. Alright, so you can see first thing, last out. So this one you can see here, just pass through the slot and there. I'm gonna pull it up. It's really difficult to do it with one hand and video it with the other one. I'm gonna pause the video, pull it up and push it straight forward. Just an update. It's better to make the rear seat up so that it can easily slide in. So it's in position now. I just opened up my rear kid seat. Then only it came up properly. So now it's in position, one, and the other two bolts in here. Okay, you can see here I'm gonna insert to this plastic trim first, in here first. After that I'm gonna put this one inside the rail. Make sure in here it goes under the plastic cover. In here it's inside, and this one has to be inside. It should look pretty good. This one will obviously go in. I did not tighten the rail, so it will be easy for me to make a stretch in here so that I can put it everything properly. So this is just push pull clips, so I pulled it out and just to take everything out and put it back. So I have pushed it back. Now it's just a screw in here with the plastic cover. You can see the plastic cover. So this is rubbery type, so it's not a big deal. You just push in, take out, it doesn't break. Alrighty, I'm done with the screws. This is a T15 that I have used, and these are T35, I guess, T30. So these three are T30. 1, 2, 3. I think there should be one in here also, but I'm not sure about that. My card didn't come with one. This is a used one, so I'm not sure about that. So I'm done with the project. This is the first time I'm doing this, and if it helps someone, just hit a like. This is for BMW X5 7-seater. Normally the video that I have seen is just for the 5-seater, which doesn't have the rail in here. So I was searching everywhere to find a solution for this, and I thought to take it apart myself. Alrighty then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.